Have you ever tried to colour your illustration and had it turn out kind of muddy looking and not quite how you'd imagined? Or maybe you've just found yourself stuck choosing the right colours to even get started. In this course, I'll provide you with all the knowledge you need to get started creating eye-catching, colourful artworks in no time. Hi, my name is Rhea. If you've been a student here at 21 Draw for a while, you might have seen my email newsletters or even received feedback from me on the community forum. I have been a freelance artist for 7 years, and I've worked as a concept artist on indie books, video games, and even some short films. To give you a bit of context about me as an artist, I first really started getting into illustration when I was about 14 years old. I was an incredibly anxious kid and I struggled to stay focused in class, so a lot of the times I would sit up the back of the classroom and sketch in the back of my book. When I was 16, I got my first ever digital graphics tablet and I started selling my prints online. Once I graduated high school, I got a Bachelor of Animation, majoring in art direction and production. This was the perfect degree for me as it allowed me to explore so many different areas of the industry and find what I liked best. Even though it was a great experience for me though, it does not have to be the creative path for you. There are tons of different ways to learn and improve your art skills. My course, for example. At the end of the day, the learning method that works best for you is going to be the one that improves your art the most. So, what can you expect in this course? Color theory is one of the most important parts of any visually creative medium, whether it be illustration, concept art, traditional drawing, or even graphic design. It can feel like a huge topic to tackle when you're just starting out. But don't worry, in this course, we're going to start with the absolute basics and build on them step by step until you're a color theory pro. This course is perfect for anyone keen to improve their understanding of color theory. I'll be using Procreate in the lessons, but you can use any medium that you'd prefer. In each lesson, I'm going to cover a different area of color theory, including understanding the color wheel, the importance of warm and cool colors, color psychology, visual hierarchy, color harmony, and common beginner mistakes. We are then going to take all this knowledge and put it together into some awesome illustrations at the end of the course. During this course, I'm going to provide you guys with lots of different activities to follow along and improve your skills. I can't wait to see what you create. You can share your finished assignments with me down below in the community forum, or you can even tag me on Instagram at Rhea. So, let's dive right in and get you on your way to becoming a color theory expert.